for Bhavishyat's Cook with Kabali. Oftentimes, we would be not just having the energy to cook, or we'll be tired. At the same time, we don't feel like going out and eating, and we want healthy food. The recipes that I'm going to share today is something that will be handy for you, when you're feeling really tired and you want something healthy. But the tricky part is, if it has to be easy, quick and less cleaning after cooking, then it's something very hard to see if kids would love it. But the first one that I'm going to share is something kids would love because it's portobello mushroom stuffed with cheese. The cheese base, you get it in shops, but this is something that I have cooked it. For 1 cup of ricotta cheese, you have to take 1 cup of spinach and 1 cup of basil leaves, saute it with garlic powder, that's 1 teaspoon, and few Italian seasonings, anything that you want. It's kind of, you can add few other Italian seasonings or the real ones that helps you get it as well.
Yeah.
So once that's done, it's once that's done, you have to just fill it in like how I have done it. Then add the cheese. It's quick and easy. It's very healthy, right, Dhanmin? It's similar to ravioli. This stuffing, you can use it for making ravioli, or even you can make sandwich. Once you have this base prepared, you can make variety of recipes for the kids.
And it's really yummy.
Yep. So once filled in, you can make plenty of varieties here. You can add tomatoes, olives, and capsicum, corns, anything that you want, like a mini pizza. The base is going to be the portobello. It's very healthy, it's yummy, kids really would love it. Now I'm going to keep this in air fryer for 400 Fahrenheit, and it's going to take 10 to 12 minutes. Now that we have the portobello in the air fryer, it's time to reveal the first clue for you about my secret guest. As I said, the recipe that I picked up is very simple. My secret guest is very simple at heart. The recipe, this is something that's called Buddha Bao. Why it's Buddha Bao, I don't know. I name it as Buddha Bao because everything that goes into this bao is healthy. That's my only goal here. So I have mixed mangoes, tofus. Tofu is like air fried in air fryer. Then baked beans stirred with salsa. Then broccoli that's steamed. All this put together. It's kind of, it has protein, it has vitamins, it has everything that you think that it's a healthy dish should provide you, and it's filling. Okay, now that I revealed my second recipe, that's Buddha Bao, it's time to reveal my secret guest, second clue. Like the Buddha Bao, how you see like all the colors in it, everything is vibrant. My secret guest is also colorful, vibrant, jazzy. Okay, here is the 2 recipes in the portobellos, well cooked. I just took it from the air fryer. It's ready to be served, and it's ready to reveal the secret guest face. I know you all might have guessed by now, but let's keep it as a secret. And now is the time to reveal the face of Aishwarya. It's all set for you to taste it. And let me serve this first, Buddha Bao. Try it and let me know. I will make sure you have all the pieces that's in here. Okay, sure. Dhanmin, you're waiting?
Okay, let me try this.
Yeah. I'm going to cut this.
It's really tasting very good, Dharma.
Nice.
Yeah. That means you have to try too. You want to try?
He is waiting to try this mushroom, I guess, right, Dhanmin?
Yep.
And it's going to be hot. But, come on. Have it. Come on, taste this, Ash.
Sure.
How is it, Dhanmin? Emmy?
Yeah, it's really good, Dharma.
Yep.
Too good.
Yep.
Perfect.
So viewers, this is my go-to when I'm tired, exhausted, and I have to feed this kid, because this is something healthy as well, right? Because instead of pizza or something, you're getting base as portobello, which has all the vitamins and it's very healthy. cheese has its own benefits, and here I have mixed a lot of spinach in it. It's a good way to feed the kids with spinach without them knowing. Oh, you want the whole buttermilk lemon? Okay, then it's time to say bye-bye to our viewers. Yeah. Thanks viewers, thanks for watching it. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe. I'm sure you will try it because it's not going to take more than 20 minutes for you to make these two recipes, and for sure you'll feel very, very healthy after eating. That's how I feel always when I eat Buddha Pav. With that, we're signing off. Thanks for watching us. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. It's going to be hot. But yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
Have it.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure it's not hot. It's hot. Okay. So once this is done, you can add tomatoes, olives, capsicum, however you want. Like, I'm not adding all that because my kid, he doesn't like tomatoes. But
I do.
you do? Okay. Oh my God.
Jolly, 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 cook with KABALI. 1, 2, 3, 4, don't be too slow. Get ready, let's go. Bobby Sharks presents a cooking show, and KABALI is the VIP of the show. Share a recipe or just have fun. It's all put together as one. Jolly, 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 cook with KABALI. Jolly, 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 cook with KABALI. Cook with KABALI.